Umintri bedekmi yaknat kampoyeng ke sorkar jalaba lakman raboy lapentep bakidan Hynñiew jingjia pynbthei bom improve explosive device IED kabala jah ki snem baladap kini ki kintop ya artli is kasel desek hayo laim kra haka shipotre kunai lar arjar arhuai bat akman kasen point estate khandailan haka laipotre klaim kot arjar arhuar laitili jingjia pynbthei bom IED pat kidai ha is jente hills kata ha Krishna colony lane campus haka khat artri nopra arjar arpau hayo su kilo haka artri nai arajar arpo but police reserve residential quota clear yat haka south naitung arajar arpoi nang tapat hadauki was jajahil district haka shitarik rumpang arjar pra but hasawil gre is garo district haka khatpra rumpang arjar pra ya kane uba remboi lapentep habak jawab hakanta kli jingkli ka dorbar mangtengka kebrang ya chakman hayeng dorbar thawai kachala haka khat south rek luber arajar arpuar balakali dong nong thawan ka west shillong ba mendro rapsang.
Reply to star question 83A. Sir, the total number of IED blasts that were reported in the state during the last 5 years are 7. B. Sir, 1. Lime Crab police station case number 114 bracket A 2021 under section 120B/121A/427/326 Indian Penal Code read with Section 3A of Explosive Substance Act, read with Section 10 by 13 Unlawful Activities Protection Act. Location, Limekra Main Market, District East Khas Hills, date 10th of August 2021. 2. Case number Sadar Police Station case number 21 in bracket 1 2022 under section 120 bracket B/427 IPC, read with section 5 Explosive Substance Act. Location entrance step of new extension building of Center Point Estate at Khandaila, District East Khas Hills, date 30th Jan 2022. 3. Dauki police station case number 4 bracket 02 2018 under section 120B Indian Penal Code, read with section 3 Explosive Substance Act. Location, Dauki, District, West St. Hills, date 1st February 2018. 4. Lumshnong police station case number 130 in bracket 12 2020 under section 324/307 Indian Penal Code, read with section 345 Explosive Substance Act, read with section 10 and 13 Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Location, campus Krishna Colony Lane, East Dainty Hills, date 12 December 2020. 5. Cleared Police Station case number 146 in bracket 11 2020 under section 3 bracket A/4/5 Explosive Substance Act. Location, Su Kilo Market, East District East Dainty Hills, date of incident 26/11/2020. 6. Cleared Police Station case number 48 in brackets 07/2021 under section 120B/121A and 307 of Indian Penal Code, read with section 10 13 Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, read with 3 bracket A and B of Explosive Substance Act. Location, Police Reserve Residential Quarter, District East St. Hills, date 14 of July 2021. 7. William Nagar Police Station case number 08 in bracket 02 2018 under section 120/120B/121 122A and 121A and 122 then 302 326 427 of IPC, read with section 18/20 of Unlawful Activities Prevention Act and section 5 of Explosive Substance Act. Location, Savilgri Village, East Karo Hills on 18th of February 2018.
Mr. Speaker, sir, looking at the seven blasts has been occurred in the last 5 years, may I know from the Honorable Minister how many person arrested has been made so far in each cases?
So, in most of the case, the arrests have been made, but since side by side, some cases have been looked by the Judicial Commission. I don't want to go deep into this issue now. So I reply that there are 7 cases and the location and the number, case number and the date which occurs. Sir, thank you.
Is it a fact that some arrests are juvenile?
Sir, that's why I already replied in my supplement that since some of the cases related to the Judicial Commission of Inquiry, I don't want to go deep into the detail of the case. So in all these cases, the matter is investigated and some have been charge sheeted. So some investigation is going on, sir. Thank you.
So see the sensitivity of the cases that we reply from the Home Minister. It's difficult for them to give sensation on the inquiry. Anyway, may I know from the Minister for maintaining peace, tranquility in the Shillong city and in the state as a whole, what measures the government has taken to prevent such kind of IED blasts?
So that intelligence have been strengthened, and then the cybercrime police station have been strengthened so that we will gather more intelligence. Moreover, sir, day before yesterday, on Thursday, we have the government of India have given a green signal for the government to go ahead with a peace talk with the HNLC, where in most of these cases they have claimed to be there. So we hope that this side by side, the intelligence, policing, and side by side we also go into the extent of the talk so that this issue could be settled once for all. So we need the cooperation of each and every one of us, the citizen and the legislative member of this House, that the mandate of the government is to maintain the peace and tranquility, and we will do to the best of our ability, and we'll go extra mile to see that the peace and tranquility in the state is there, sir. So as I said, these 3-4 pronged strategy is there, and we will do the necessary things.
Honorable Speaker, sir, may I? So may I call the attention of the government through the Home Minister of the occurrence of the IED blast on the 10/8/2021. Pending dues to residents is still remaining, sir. The large-scale damage, window panes to a large extent have been broken, and the citizens are awaiting the quick processing of their pending dues for the damage caused by the IED. May I have an assurance from the government that this would be looked at urgently, sir?
I don't have the information regarding that with me, sir, so I require notice for that, sir.